Good morning! Today we decided not to go anywhere far and just have a beach day in Saint-Florent. After breakfast we packed our swimming gear and headed out to visit one of the beaches close to our hotel. There is quite a lot of dead algae where the beach starts, which made the water almost muddy. It is recommended to walk further down until the water gets more clear. So we went to check out the other end of the beach. We went to get something small to eat and drink. Unfortunately, the restaurant near the beach had just closed for the afternoon, so we ended up walking back to the center to get some smoothies and ice cream from a cafe we really liked. After a refreshing break, we headed back to the beach. The walk from the center to the west side of the beach is around 2 kilometers. The spot is known for a big rock in the water, which you can climb on. There is also a lot of fish near the rock, which makes snorkeling a fun activity at this beach. Linda just spotted something interesting in the water.
Cool.
Stingrays are venomous but only attack humans in self-defense, in a case for example someone accidentally steps on them. Usually getting stinged by one is not dangerous, but it's very painful, so it's better to keep your distance. They like to hide under the sand, and you might spot them on sandy beaches like these. A long day behind us in the sun. Time to wash off the sand and freshen up before dinner.
Tosi hyvä.
I guess I'm more used to being on the other side of the camera. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the views of Saint-Florent as much as we did. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See ya! Bye!